Guys, today I will start about 11th science chemistry method. Chapter method. You know what is matter? Matter means what? It is anything which has definite weight and occupies some space in the universe. Okay, so matter is what? It is anything which has definite weight and occupies some space in the universe. In where? In the entire universe, anything which has definite weight and occupies some space. That is matter. It includes all living and non-living things. Non-living things. Meaning inside the matter, living body present and non-living body also present. We are present and this pen is present. This pen is no life, so this is non-living. We have life, but we are living body. Okay, next classification. Classification of matter. Okay, matter mainly classified into two types. How many types? Two types. Like, let's see. Two types. One is physical classification, other is chemical classification. So what is physical classification? Those things you can see and touch, that is physical. What is chemical? Those things which are only occur by itself, that is chemical. That never seen through our eyes. So physical classification again of three types. How many types? Three types. Like solid, liquid, other is gas. Okay. Similarly, chemical classification two types. Like homogeneous matter, other is heterogeneous matter. One is homogeneous matter, other is what? Homogeneous matter. So first one we have to study about physical classification. So inside the physical classification means you know those things we can see and touch, that is physical. It consists of three parts, like solid, like liquid, like gas. So first one, solid. So solid what? It is one of the states of matter which has definite shape, definite volume. Now in solid, particles are what? Closely packed or tightly packed. There is strong force of attraction present between solid particles. There is no space present. So these are not compressible like this. Not compressible. Not compressible like this. Another one, liquid state. This is another state which has definite volume but not shape. Because you can take 5 liter water, you can put in a bottle, you can put in a bucket. Bottle and bucket are different shape. So that liquid has different shape, but volume same. In liquid, what happens? The particles are loosely packed, means there is little space present. So liquids are less compressible. When you fall a liquid, that place flows from upward to downward. This is the result. Again, what is gas? It is another state which has neither volume nor shape, because you can put a gas in a balloon or in a cylinder. Balloon and cylinder have different shape, different volume, but both carry gas. In gas, the particles are what? Far apart, but there is large space. They are highly compressible. Like this, we can compress this. These are solid, liquid, gas. Next one, how they are related to each other, how they are converted to each other. You know, when a solid substance is heated, that converts into liquid. When a liquid is further heated, converts into gas. While when a gas is cooled, converted to liquid. When a liquid is cooled, converted to solid. Like solid, when you heated, converted to liquid. When a liquid is heated, converted to gas. Like this. So when a gas is cooled, converted to liquid. When a liquid is cooled, converted to solid. Means solid converted to gas through liquid. Gas converted to solid through liquid. So liquid is the what? Which state? Intermediate state. Intermediate state of matter. This is one more question. What is intermediate state? This is, liquid is the intermediate states of matter. That is the intermediate state of matter, that is liquid. Because from liquid you can get direct gas by heating. From liquid you can get solid by cooling, like this. Liquid, heat, you get gas. Liquid, cool, you get solid. The liquid is the what? Intermediate states of matter. Next one, chemical classification. You know, chemical classification means that is our thinking, not physical, not like physical. Like it consists of two parts, like homogeneous matter and heterogeneous matter. So what is homogeneous matter? Let's see. What is homogeneous matter? You know, homogeneous matter. Here you find homo. Homo means same or similar. Same or similar. Geneous means nature. If in a matter particles present having same nature, that is called which matter? Homogeneous matter. Example. Suppose you take a glass of sugar water or glucose water, any. Throughout the glass, taste is same taste, sweet taste, sweet taste. So all the particles present having same nature. So this is called homogeneous matter. Second one, heterogeneous matter. So what is heterogeneous matter? You know, hetero means different or dissimilar. Different or dissimilar. If in a matter particles present having different nature, that is called heterogeneous matter. Like when you take lime water, you know what is lime water? That is chuno pani. You find when you put lime water in a glass, you find lime gets settled down while water is on the surface. So different nature, that is heterogeneous matter. Yes, so homogeneous matter, heterogeneous matter, that is called classification of matter. Next one, you have to study about what are the parts present in matter or universe. What are the parts present in the matter? Matter भितरे कोई part अच्छी. Matter consists of a number of parts. That parts consists of mainly divided into two types. Like one is pure substance, other is mixture. Pure substance, again two types. Again how many types? Two types, like element, other is compound. Okay, element again three types depending on nature. metal, non-metal, other is metalloids. Similarly, compound are of two types, like organic compound, other is inorganic compound. Okay, this is our pure substance. Again, mixture. Mixture, two types. Like, homogeneous mixture, other is heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture, other is what? Heterogeneous mixture. So what is pure substance? If in a substance particles present having only same type, that's called pure substance. It is of two types. One is element, other is compound. So what is element? In the universe or in the matter, in the nature, the smallest particle, that is called element, which may or may not be independently existence. That may be exist or not. Like example, this is carbon, this is carbon dioxide. Your carbon is found in the free state, but here also carbon present, but not in the free state. It is in the combined state. So this is called element. Again, according to nature of element, three types elements are. One is metal, other is non-metal, other is metalloids or semi-metals. Semi-metals. So what are metal? These are the elements which can show metallic property like flow of heat, electricity, malleability, ductility, metallic luster, metallic sonor. They are called metals. In nature, in the universe, most of the metals exist in the solid state except mercury. That is liquid metal. So what is non-metal? These are the elements which never shows metallic property. They are non-metals. Means never pass electricity, never pass heat, never show malleability, anything. Never shows. They are non-metals. Most of the non-metals exist in the nature or in the universe in the gaseous state except bromine. That is liquid non-metal. What are metalloids? Those elements which can show both metal and non-metal. Both metal and non-metal. They are what? Metalloids or semi-metals. In the periodic table, there are 4 metalloids present. What are the elements? You can study in chapter 3 or unit 3. That is periodic classification of elements. But you have to know elements which can show both property of metal and non-metal. They are called metalloids or semi-metals. Okay, like silicon, like arsenic, like antimony. These are in the periodic table 12 metalloids present. Next is what? Compound. So what is compound? When two elements or more elements are combined together in a definite ratio of their mass. That is called compound. Which can be independently existence. Like example. Suppose carbon or oxygen combined, you get carbon dioxide. Mass ratio 1:2. Okay, CO2, this is carbon dioxide. Similarly, H2O, mass ratio 2:1. They never be changed. In India, water H2O, America, water also H2O. Never be changed. Okay, again, according to the composition, compounds are of two types, like organic compound, like inorganic compound. So what is organic compound? Organic compound means those compounds which contain carbon as the chief element. Other elements may or may not, but carbon must be present. That is called organic compound, like CH4, like H2C2O4. These are. What is inorganic compound? These are the compounds which contain all the elements except carbon. Other than carbon, all elements must be present except carbon. That is inorganic compound, like H2O, HCl, H2S, these are. Okay, next, what is mixture? When element and compound are mixed together, not in a definite ratio. Not in a definite ratio. Okay? When it is definite ratio, that is compound. Not in a definite ratio, that is mixture. It is of two types, like homogeneous mixture, like heterogeneous mixture. What is homogeneous mixture? You know, homo means same. If in a mixture, components present having same nature, either in the solid state or in the liquid state or in the gaseous state, same nature. That is homogeneous mixture, like air. In the room, you find air. Air means hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, water vapor, all are present. But all exist in the gaseous state. That is homogeneous mixture. What is heterogeneous mixture? If in a mixture, components present in the different state. One is solid, other is liquid. One is solid, other is gas. Soda water, carbon dioxide plus water. That is heterogeneous mixture. Okay, cement, sand. Okay, oil, water. They never be mixed. That is heterogeneous mixture. Okay, guys, thank you.